Hello guys, another video from my car. As every Friday, not that much about Laravel, but about career in general. And in this short video, I wanted to kind of warn people who are at the same job for a longer time. So I've seen a lot of developers, for example, working at the same job at the same company for quite a while, and then for some reason they are fired or the company goes bankrupt, or for whatever reason they need to find a new job and they struggle because they don't have experience with other technologies, more modern technologies or stuff like that. And not only that, it's not only about modern technologies, but in new companies there are different requirements, different projects, and different kind of experience needed. So I've been always a skeptic of a term full stack developer because I believe that there's only backend developer with some front-end knowledge or vice versa. But the more job ads I see, the more job descriptions, the more I kind of change my mind, because you need to be kind of prepared to do almost anything needed. A typical example is you have Laravel project, but you need to quickly create a blog on WordPress for that project. The company would not probably hire a WordPress developer full-time just for that, just for this simple project. They will not hire CSS professional if you need to change just a few lines in Tailwind. So the point is that the more different experience you have over your career, the bigger your chance to get a job in the future or be more useful at the current company. What I'm saying is that you need to create more different projects. Ideally at the same company, year after year you have different kind of experience, but more often it happens when you work on the same project for longer in the same company. Then you need to have side projects or hobby projects or freelance on the side to just try out something different, to get more experience, to have that experience just in case. And it's not only about new technology like Livewire versus Vue.js. Maybe it's a different approach to the same project. Try out different architectural structure, different database structure, different database engine, writing tests in a different way or something like that. Another kind of more radical way to do that is to change jobs more often. So the more different jobs you have, the more, of course, different projects and different experience. But that is risky in many ways, because then you could be questioned by a new company why you changed so many jobs so often. And also in this current environment in 2024, finding a new job is pretty complicated, because I keep seeing emails and comments and tweets about people being laid off and struggling to find new jobs, even senior developers. So in this environment, I totally would not advise you to leave your job to pursue some new experience. Unless you totally have a new offer, then it's fine. But in general, over the years, your goal is to gather different kind of experience on different projects, just to broaden your so-called, there's a term, surface of luck. So what is luck? You can be lucky to get a new job, but you can increase the surface of luck, the probability of luck striking you. So yeah, these are kind of unstructured thoughts, but the same idea that you need to get more projects and more different kind of experience to ensure your future. That's it for this time, and see you guys in other videos.